The Minolta SRT series cameras are absolute tanks. They are legendary for their solid all-metal build and mechanical reliability. But if you actually own and shoot one, you know the truth. These things are heavy, and hand-holding them single-handedly for a long day of shooting can feel like a genuine forearm workout. What if I told you that there's a simple, affordable add-on that completely fixes the SRT's ergonomics, making it incredibly comfortable to hold without altering the classic look of the camera? Today we're looking at this custom ergonomic camera grip designed specifically for the Minolta SRT lineup. This grip is crafted from a lightweight, durable plastic and features a straightforward, functional design. It has a flat bottom plate, a built-in alignment tab to ensure it sits perfectly flush with the front of the body, and a contoured grip that molds right into your hand on the shutter side. Mounting is incredibly simple. It comes with a dedicated screw that secures the grip directly onto the camera's existing tripod mount. The creator states that this grip is compatible with every single Minolta SRT model. To test that claim, I tried it out on both my Minolta SRT 101 and my Minolta SRT 102, and I'm happy to report that it fits perfectly and securely on both bodies. Once it's mounted, the difference is night and day. It gives you a rock-solid, confident hold on the body, and finally makes true single-handed shooting possible with an SRT. Because the plastic construction is so lightweight, it fixes the ergonomics without adding any extra bulk or weight to an already heavy setup. The tank-like reliability is what draws so many of us to the SRT system, but honestly, having a grip that allows for comfortable all-day shooting means I'm going to be throwing this camera in my bag and taking it out a lot more often. Just as a quick heads up, I purchased this with my own money. I haven't received any compensation or sponsorship from the maker. I just genuinely wanted to share a tool that improved my workflow. If you're interested in picking one up for your own SRT, I've dropped the purchase link down in the description below. Before you go, let me know down in the comments if you shoot with the Minolta SRT. And have you ever wished it had a bit more of a modern grip? Let's talk down below. If you found this review helpful, definitely hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stick around for more film camera reviews and field tests. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.